I would shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh.
Hey forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. So guess what I did? Okay, so first of all, I recorded this beautiful, glamorous, soft, very soft glam for you guys. Even though my highlight is just popping right now, I created a soft glam for you guys. So without further ado, if you guys want to go ahead and get into the video, do me a couple of favors. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and share the video, and comment down below the next look that you would like to see, and we're gonna make it happen. Anyways, without further more ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I've already done one eye for you guys, just because that I find it's a lot easier for me to go ahead and do one eye, simply because sometimes when I do a video I don't know what look I'm going for until I start doing the look. So anyways, I'm going in today with the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the yellow to start off as my transition color. And basically what I'm going to be doing is just packing that color onto my lid so that we can get it to get really vibrant and bright. The next color that I'm going to be going into is the orange, which is right next to the yellow. And y'all have to excuse me, I took the back of my hand and rubbed concealer on my lips, and I don't know what was going on today, y'all. But anyway, I'm going to take that color and I'm going to pat it right underneath the yellow that I just got through applying to my eye. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, guys, is go in with the BH Cosmetics palette, Take Me Back to Brazil. And I'm going to be using a couple of oranges out of this palette. Matter of fact, it's these three right here. It's the two ones that look like reddish oranges, and then the one that is actually orange. But for me, it just doesn't show the way that I would want it to. So I'm going to mix all three to get the perfect orange that I'm looking for. Okay, so as you can see, the video kind of sped up, but I did go back in and just kind of darken my crease with the purple that was in the BH Cosmetics palette, just so that I can define where my crease kind of starts and ends. So as you can see right now, I'm just kind of buffing it out to make it not so harsh, to make it look like it just all goes there and it just blends. So, ear itch, scratch it, girl, So as you guys can see, I kind of like smoothed it out, blended it so that it looks a little bit more softer. So now I'm going to go in with the concealer that's on the back of my hand, which is the LA Girl Concealer Pro in the color Creamy Beige. And I'm going to be using that to cut my crease today. Well, really it's tonight, but anyways, you get it. And I kind of sped up on cutting the crease, guys, because I just feel like it takes a lot of the time in the video, and it's just so tedious. I have to go back and just so much. So anyways, I'm going in with the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette by Super Scent. And I'm going to be using this shimmery color right here, which is called Sweet Tea, and I'm going to be using that for my lid. And I don't know where I got the combination from today, y'all. It's just, I don't know, I was just sitting in the room when I was doing something. I was like, okay, you know what? I'm rolling with this. It's a go. So here we are. So now I'm just going to be packing that color onto my lid, getting it to my desired look. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face with my e.l.f. primer. I went ahead and did my lashes off camera for you guys, just so that we could go ahead and speed up the process. Do not hate me. I will make a video on how to apply lashes, how to do liner, a detailed cut crease. You guys just let me know. Okay, so I'm going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and it is thebomb.com. And I'm going to be using that to just put on my face. And my eyelash kind of came off, y'all, so I'm going to go back and like re-stick it on there. It's so ghetto, I know. Ugh. Okay, so back to the foundation. I'm going to be taking the foundation that I put on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be spreading that over my face. I'm taking a brush to apply it right now, just so that I have the foundation on my face. I don't know what's the reason for it. I just do it. It feels like it's important, so I do it. Okay, so I'm taking my NYX foundation brush that I just purchased today, you guys, and I'm going to be using that to blend out my foundation. And let me just tell y'all, it is amazing. It is a $7 brush, and it is amazing. Okay, so now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color medium, and I'm going to be using that to highlight the points of my face that I really want to stand out. So for me, that's underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my chin and my forehead very not so often. I'm then going to begin to take this little sponge that's kind of shaped like a triangle. And the reason that I use it is because when I'm getting under my eyes, as you can see here, it's just better to get closer without having to poke myself in my eye or go into my eyeliner. So I prefer to use this kind of sponge. So I'm just blending my concealer out right now. I'm not blending it out all the way because I want my concealer to pop. The more you blend your concealer out, the more that it does not show underneath your makeup, you know? So, just try not to blend it so much, you guys. But I'll show you. You'll see what I'm saying when I say don't blend it so much. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Dark, and I'm going to be using that to contour. And basically, that's going to be my cheekbones, which is underneath my concealer, and my jawline, and the top of my forehead, and sometimes my nose. Today, we're doing the nose. We're feeling, I don't know, frisky, right? No, not frisky. Oh my God. Get a girl, get a girl. What was I listening to? I think Janae Aiko. She's like my whole vibe all the time. So anyways, I'm taking my e.l.f. stipple brush and I'm blending out my concealer. And let me just tell y'all, at this point right here when I turn my face, I just noticed how flawless my makeup started to look. It just made me so happy. So I'm going with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using that to set my concealer. I did go back and spray it. I found that to me, when I spray it and then go and set my powder, it's just so flawless, you guys. Like, you can't even imagine. Or can you? So I'm going to put a little bit extra underneath my eyes so that we can really absorb the concealer and just, give me that extra brightness underneath my eye that we're always looking for. What am I looking for? Find it, red, find it. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my LA contour palette. You can get it from the beauty supply store. It's really inexpensive, you guys. It has multiple contour shades, so if you can't find the one that suits you, how about you try and mix them? I promise, I do it all the time. It's safe. So I'm just chiseling my face, y'all. This is pretty much just going back and setting all the concealer that we applied so that we don't look cakey throughout the day or get oily. Okay, so now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to be using the two on the left-hand side, the brightest ones, because, we just have to be out there. And I'm going to be using that as my highlight. Yes, girl. You see it, I see it, you is Poppington. Oh, just so pretty. And I did take my highlight up a bit because when I turn the side of my face, I like for the highlights to just go boom, blind you. So I take my highlight above my brow as well. So now what I'm going to do is just bring everything together. I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm just making sure everything just looks flawless like we have here. Okay guys, so half of the video did get, well, the rest of the video did get cut off just for the simple fact that my battery went dead. But this is the finished look, you guys. I had so much fun recording this look for you guys. Don't forget, like, thumbs up, and share. Love you guys.